Alright, welcome back everybody. Here we are in northwest Wisconsin, doing our 6-week inspection on Hive 1. It's 65 degrees out, nice cloudy day, but you know, it's not windy or cold, so we're going to go ahead and check on this. We just added a second brood box to this hive last week, doing very well at that time. Hive 2 has been struggling since we started. It's probably a good week and a half behind. Just today we went and added our second brood box based on them having about close to 80% of the first box drawn out. So let's take a look here at Hive 1 and see how much advanced they are than Hive 2. Oh, yeah, this one we have a little ant issue. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a lot of really small ants dead in the syrup. So that means we're going to do some pest control today also. Go ahead and give them a little smoke to let them know we're coming. Alright, so this is the box, the hive, the deep that we added last week. I've moved up 2 frames, you can see them in the middle. But I've got bees on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames already. You can see these ones are really getting built out. So let's quickly take a peek and see how much they've done. Nothing on the first frame. Got a lot of bees working on the second frame on the inside of it. Nothing going on the outside. This frame here is getting drawn out really nice. Yeah, really nice. They're really working their asses off. Wow. This one's completely built out and full of eggs. The entire frame has got eggs in every cell. Same thing with this side. So we should see our queen here shortly, I would believe. So she's moved up, or moved her brood nest up to include this second box already. Oh, smokes. We got honey, tons of larvae, capped brood, worker brood. Same thing on this side, pollen, larvae, capped worker brood, honey. Really a nice looking frame, both sides. What do we got going on here? Lots and lots of capped brood, worker brood. We got a lot of drone brood being made too. Not sure why, but every hive needs some drones. Same thing on this side, a lot of drone brood. We got a lot of nectar, eggs, lots of eggs, and there's our queen. I'm going to pause this right now and try and catch her and mark her. Alright, let's see if we can find her again. There she is. In the bottom of the frame. Big, beautiful, light queen. Way bigger than my Hive 1 queen. Or Hive 2 queen. You don't want to be caught. Come on, girl. Come on. There she goes. You got her and one of her workers in there. And here in there. What we're going to do is we're going to try and push her up and pin her and put a big old blue dot marking her as my queen for this year. Okay, there she's marked. We're going to give her a minute or two here to dry off before I release her back into the hive. Now it's important that you release her back on the frame that you took her off of, so I'm going to Alright, we're back. Now what happened was, I have this cheap ass queen marker, and when I turned it upside down to look at her, the whole plunger fell out. She dropped right down here onto the top of the brood box, and then crawled right down in the hive, so I got lucky there. But I guess you get what you paid for. So if anybody else has got what I've got, be damn careful. Another frame where they're drawing it out pretty good. Brand new frame from the second deep. So, right now we have 1, 2, 3.5, 4 frames drawn out on our second deep. We marked our queen. And we're going to go ahead and button this back up and let them do what they do. Oh yeah, we got this ant issue. Let's deal with that real quick. Ground cinnamon, dollar store. Make a perimeter around your covers or your sugar feeder. And supposedly this will keep them from trying to steal the bee's sugar. Alright, there we go. I'm actually going to take this and clean this out. There's a lot of dead ants in it. So, until next time, I'm taking a video every week of these two hives' progress. We've got an obvious difference between Hive 1 and Hive 2. Both the same type of bees, both installed the same day, but yet this one is booming and Hive 2 is struggling, but it is kind of playing catch up now that I've tried to equalize it a little bit. So if you like what you see and you want to follow what I'm doing here in northwest Wisconsin, please subscribe. Comments, I love comments. I need feedback. I am still a new beekeeper, so if anybody has any suggestions for me, I'd love to hear it. See ya.